Ake sithi kumbeke eceleni kancane uMalema siyabuya kuye. Uphindela nini lo kwela kubo eZimbabwe? Uminister of Home Affairs lo, he's a Zimbabwean, ubufakazi bukhona, the undoubtable one. YiZimbabwe leli. Uphindela nini kwela kubo uLeon oyiZimbabwe waqasha uRamaphosa ukuba abe uMinister of Home Affairs la eSouth Africa. UMinister of Home Affairs wala eSouth Africa is a Zimbabwean white guy, ugoduka nini yena aphindele kwela kubo njoba ewuminister eSouth Africa nje. DA ugoduka nini uLeon aphindele kwela kubo eZimbabwe? Ubufakazi esinabo kumkhombe eZimbabwe uLeon, he's not a South African. He don't deserve that position yokuthi abe uMinister of Home Affairs eSouth Africa. You don't deserve. That thing is violating us as South African. Ukuthi iminister yethu ibe yi-foreigner. Ugoduka nini aye kwela kubo? Ubufakazi esinabo bumkhombe eZimbabwe uLeon. Ugoduka nini? Sinabo-ke nobufakazi obukhomba ukuthi uMalema wadla imali kaJohan Rupert. Uyisholo yena uJohan Rupert, ubufakazi nje obuqanda ikhanda, is the horse's mouth. uJohan Rupert uyisholo yena la khona ukuthi uyena owafanda noma owanikeza uMalema imali wayidla. Nje Mseha lapho kwa Minister of South African Defence Force. Awukahle njengoba uthi uzokhipha amasosha nje, uthini umthetho okhishwa kwamasosha eSouth Africa? Ithini constitution, ithini law yokukhishwa kwamasosha eSouth Africa? Yini umsebenzi wamasosha? Njengoba uthi uzowakhiphela iprotest nje, yini umsebenzi wamasosha? Minister of Police, njengoba uthi uzokhipha ama-SAPS nje mhla ka-30 June, yini umsebenzi wamaphoyisa? Is to protect the South African citizens, or is to protect the criminals, the foreign criminals against its own citizens? Uma nike nakhipha amasosha mhla ka-30 June, nizobe niphule umthetho. Nizobe niphule umthetho section 200 and section 201 wokukhishwa kwamasosha eSouth Africa. Uma ningenathi ama-SAPS awabe against i-protest, awabe against ama-South Africans, nizobe niphule umthetho wezokusebenza kwamaphoyisa eSouth Africa njengoba lisho igama South African Police Service. Once nathena against ama-citizens in favor of ama-foreigners, nizobe niphule umthetho wokusebenza kwamaphoyisa ngoba amaphoyisa ayi-South African Services, awayona i-Foreigners Police Service, ayi-South African Police Service. So uma nike nawathena against its own citizens, nathi awalwe ne-citizen ekumele ngabayayisevisa in favor of the foreigners, nizobe niphule umthetho wokusebenza kwamaphoyisa ngoba umsebenzi wamaphoyisa is to service, is to serve the South African citizens only. Umsebenzi we-SAPS is strictly to serve the South African citizens, not foreigners. Umsebenzi we-South African Defence Force, SANDF, is to protect the South African country and its citizens. Once nakhipha amasosha nathi awabe against the South African citizens in favor of the foreigners, nizobe niphule umthetho wokusebenza kwamasosha. kodwa ke umbuzo usamile, ligoduka nini iZimbabwe elimhlophe leli? Ligoduka nini? Yini indaba uHome Affairs wase South Africa uphathwe yiZimbabwe elimhlophe? Ilona leli elithi livula ama-ofisi akwa Home Affairs ko America ko Switzerland. Leli Zimbabwe elimhlophe leli lithi livulela belungu ukuthi bazochanasa la eSouth Africa. Leli Zimbabwe leli elimhlophe ligoduka nini leli Zimbabwe? Ngoba elase Zimbabwe leli Zimbabwe leli elimhlophe uLeon lo owase Zimbabwe goduka nini? Bengithi nje angi-informe ma-South Africans kanye nabaholi beyinsizwa nabaholi be-March and March ukuthi uHome Affairs uphethwe yiZimbabwe. Asikwazi ukwaxosha ama-foreigners ekubeni uHome Affairs uphethwe yi-foreigner. Asikwazi. Azohamba kanjani ngoba i-foreigner lizophinde liwavulele nali i-foreigner eliphethe uHome Affairs. Bekuyileyo i-update yanamhlanje. Sibonge ithuba.
Yabo lesikhathi lesi se-March and March nayo yonke into enzakala eSouth Africa. Uma ngabe you are from other African countries such as Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Ethiopia, na wonke ama-country akhona la eSouth Africa. Yabo isikhathi esifana nalesi esokuthi ungabi negative towards what is happening. I do understand ukuthi kubuhlungu, yabo. Mina personally anginizondi, anginankinga nani. If benginenkinga nani, ngabe ziningi izinto abayazi abantu engixhumana nayo abokufika. Ijalidi la ekhaya sekuna more than 5 years leziwa umjito oyi-1 waseMalawi Santos, yabo. Ziningi izinto ngikunda kumuntu oyedwa wokufika futhi naye wasemaputo. Otamatisi ngamatroli sibathenga kini, my friend siyagweleta kubo, siyaphilisana kumnandi kuma townships, yabo. Kodwa njengoba nani nisuke emazweni enu nisuswa izimo eziniphushile ukuthi ngcine nifika la, nathi sinezimo ezisuse ko KZN zasiletha la eGoli, right, of which ama opportunities esibeswazele, yabo. Uyabona yini ukuthi uma i-country usubona ukuthi ayingeke, this country is falling apart, yabo. The government is not working towards our favor anymore, yabo. It's now start to look like the government favors you guys more than us as South African citizens, you see. Why ngisho njalo? You guys commit like hama crimes amaningi. Oh, not you guys, not all of you, but some of you guys commit ama crimes amaningi, ama drugs, human trafficking, turning our women or our sisters to to join prostitution and everything. But beds waphenduka amaphara and stuff, yabo. Umuntu wokufika, it's normal ukuthi engatholala nezibhamu illegal, but thola ukuthi uyaphuma ngakusasa or abulale aphume futhi ngakusasa. When as a South African citizen uyodonsa 5 years ngesibhamu, yabo, mawabulala ngazi kuyohlala how many years, you see. So these are things when you sit down as a South African citizen, you then see with no man, this country is no longer going where it's supposed to be heading, you see. So that is then us as South African citizens, we see the need to come up with change, you see. So angisiboni isidingo mina sokuthi nizonde ama-South Africans menza lento ayenzayo njengamanje. Nisizonda ungizwe uJesenza uphakele umthakathi, because they are doing what you guys are supposed to be doing in your countries so that your country can be a better place for even ingane zenu and the future generation that is coming, you see. So ngokubona kwami mina ngibone ngazathi it was going to be a good initiative if maybe you guys leave, we as South Africans, we sort out our government. If we need to change the president or whatever, the structures or whatever that is happening, njengamanje, we change whatever, and then you guys come back again. Sekunjani, seku right. Now everything is it's monitorable. So whoever comes in and go out, we now know who's this, who's that. Not lento eyenzakala njengamanje. Yabo. And it was going to be a good initiative to see people from Zimbabwe asking Ngizwe to come, or Phakela Mthakathi to come and assist with their march towards their government. You see, people from Nigeria to call Ngizwe and Phakela Mthakathi to come fight against whatever problems that's then leaded you guys to come here in South Africa. You see, we don't have to hate each other, but it's a matter of saying we've been tolerant of this, so now we feel like it's now getting out of hand. So it's time for us to then sort out the differences that you are having in the country, and then you guys can come back after we sorted out everything, you see. And also for you guys to keep on running away from your countries, it's not an option that you guys can take forever, you see. At some point, there will come a point whereby you guys need to fight against whatever that you guys are not happy with where you guys are coming from, you see. So it's going to be like something that us as Africans can be proud of, to see the likes of South Africans flying to Mozambique, to Nigeria, to Ghana, to Ethiopia, to assist on fighting against the system that is oppressing you guys, you see. Then for you guys to have a hate towards us by expressing how we're not happy, how we but how we not with how the government is operating, you see. There's no need for you to hate. I do understand that if maybe I was in Malawi and I was also told that by 30th of June I need to go back to my country, I know it was going to be something that is hurtful to me, but for the cause that you guys are saying I need to go back to my country, I will understand that you guys want to sort out your country so that it becomes a better place for you to stay in, even for your future kids, you see, on the future generations to come, so that you guys you pass on, but you left a country being a safest place for your kids and for your future generation people to live in or to stay in, you see. So I'll understand, as much as it is going to be something that is going to be hurting me inside, but I'll have to respect, because I'm in your place and stuff, and I need to obey whatever rules and regulations that you guys are offering me, you see. So whenever seniphula imithetho nenza noma ngayini, because kubuhlungu ukuthi sisebenzise igama lomthetho lapho khona sekufuneka isolution, but makwenzeka inkinga lezo umthetho awusebenzi, yabo. You guys vele nawabribe amaphoyisa, from amasosha, amaphoyisa. Kukhona nje ivideo ebitrenda kunomfo wabulala ingane, I think eSoweto or eAlexandra, owaphuma akayanga ngisho ecourt, you see. But as a South African citizen, ukutholakala nje unesibhamu or washaya umuntu wesifazane ngempama uyodonsa, you see. So you see, with the system now is not working towards our favor. So as South Africans, we need to sit down and then come up with a solution, of which March and March was the solution, to then say, because the government akasilaleli, so let's go on the streets and express our frustrations. Yeah, so as a fellow brother and sister from Zimbabwe, Malawi, there's no need for you guys to hate on South Africans or to hate on Ngizwe, but it's going to be something beautiful to see you guys fighting for Malawi, for Zimbabwe, for Uganda, for Nigeria, and then calling us to say, hey, we are hosting this on this, please come show support. You see, that African unity will then be a great thing if we're going to attempt it in that way than for us to hate each other. On the 30th of June, I'm not willing to see one of our African sisters or African brothers probably being beaten or whatever, you see. But it's an initiative to say, we want to fix or sort out our country. Can you please go to your country so that after we're done fixing, you guys can come back now with the proper structure of now knowing who's in the country, who's going out, who broke this rule. They must be held accountable. So now it's just a chaos country. You can't address anything. Yabo. So masingasebenza kanjalo nje bafowethu yonke into ngamnandi. I don't think ukuthi kumele sizondane siphathelane ibhamu nani. You guys are our fellow brothers and you guys are our fellow sisters. There's no need for us to hate each other, but let's work together to say, okay, South Africans need this. Let's respect them. Not we're going to ask their favor at some point in the near future.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Max Makhanya is sending a message to Minister of Home Affairs uLeon. He's asking him when is he going back to Zimbabwe, because he's a Zimbabwean. So yesterday he was sending a message to Malema not so long ago, like few years back. He was saying because my foreigners are they must go back to their countries, but fix their own countries. So today the Minister of Home Affairs ukuthi akahambe. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.